Okay, so I've been asked how I make my pom-pom blankets on a loom board. This is a pom-pom blanket that come off this loom board. It's smaller than the board because once you cut it, actually pops in, and that is eventually what makes your pom-poms. This is the back of the pom-pom blanket, which once you get further in the videos, you'll understand how this works out. So, I use 3 balls of wool at one time because it saves going around the board however many bottom layers you need. I use 2 colours. I use a base colour, and then once I've got enough of the base colour, I then use a top colour to make the pom-pom colour. So this is my 3 strands, and I'm going to make a knot. Now this is your corner now. You go one up from your corner now and you tie the wool onto the now. Okay, so I'm going to drop them on the floor because I just find it easier. Move the pom-pom loom board down. So you go round the corner, round and up to this one. Now as you'll see, these are always kept straight. These the wool is always in a straight line, so if you do go like this, you know you've gone wrong. So you go up, down, round. You can continue, keep pulling it a little bit tight, because the tighter the bottom base and the tighter the top base, the better your blanket comes out. So up, down, round. Just continue. You'll see it does get caught up, but I mean once you get used to it, you can get in a less of a muddle. So I am just coming down to the bottom corner now. So once you get down, up, round. So I'm back down, I'm down to this corner now. So you give it a bit of a pull, turn round, up and down. Now I then turn my loom board round just because it's easier for me to do so. You go up, down. As you can see, there are gaps here where I went round it first, and this way as well there will be gaps. But as you go to the next weave, you will find, I will show you how the gaps are filled in. So just carry on, round you now, give it a bit of a pull now and again, and then that way it will keep it tighter. So carry on again, up, down and round until you're down to your next corner. Once you get down to your next corner, exactly the same, go up, down and round. Now I'm going to turn my loom board again just because it's easier for me to do so. Now you go up, and as you can see now I'm filling in the gaps. So you go up, down, round and fill in all your gaps. And again I've put it on a pink background just so you can see that each time you weave you will be making a square. As you can see, the squares are now forming. If there's any gaps left, you know you've gone wrong, but then you can actually see it is all squares. Give it a tug again, keep it nice and tight, up, down, round. Now using the 3, I find it easier, otherwise I'd have to go around the board, you know, however many times to get my required amount that I want on the bottom. Usually I use about 100 grams on the bottom, average. Now I've got back down to the bottom corner, you go up, down, round again, and now you're going to fill in every single gap that's missing, hasn't got wool round, up, down, round. I find it easier to stand to do it. I do sometimes sit down and do it, but whatever's easier for you. I'm standing so you can actually see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm nearly back up to my knot. You always know when you're done because every single now has got a bit of wool round. I'm now back up to my knot. So as you can see, every single piece has got a piece. Now what I now do is push everything down, because the more wool you get on, the higher it comes up your now. Push every single bit down. As you can see, I've got 6 strands of wool. So I'm going to go round the board exactly the same again, starting again, and then I will tie off at this point. Therefore, I will have 12 strands of wool on each line, going up and down. So once I've done the next row, I will come back to you and show you what to do next.